Hello everyone. As we all know that yoga plays a very important role in our life. So today I'm going to start with the introduction of yoga. So first of all I would like to explain the meaning of yoga. Yoga is an old discipline from India. It is both spiritual and physical. Yoga uses breathing techniques, exercise and meditation. It helps to improve health and happiness. Yoga is also the assassination of the modification of the mind, right? It means from doing yoga we can improve many things. Our breathing techniques will be increased, our exercises from which our body will be maintained. We can do meditation from which our mind will be fresh. Fine, we will feel healthy, we will feel happy. Now, what is the aim of yoga? Yoga has a diverse range of things that it can offer. It could be said that a primary goal of yoga is to gain balance and control in one's life, to free one from confusion and distress, to provide a sense of calm that comes from the practice of yogic exercise and the practice of breath control. As I told you earlier, yoga is both theoretical and practical. If you are going to theoretical experience it, you have to know everything about yoga, that from where yoga came, what is it, what is the definition of yoga, what are its elements, everything. But if we come to theoretical part means to do exercise, to practice, from which our body will be in a proper posture, we will be fit, and by doing pranayam our mind will be fresh and we can do anything whatever we want. Yoga also help us to concentrate in our goal and many more things. Now what are the objectives of yoga? Physical fitness, it means our body will be fit. Mental calmness, our mind will be calm. Personal growth. Spiritual truth refers to, it means yoga is always linked to our God, right? Now, origin of yoga. It's very important to know its origin, that from where yoga came. The beginning of yoga were developed by the Hindu Saraswati civilization in northern India over 5,000 years ago. The word yoga was first mentioned in the oldest sacred text, the Rig Veda. The Vedas were a collection of texts containing songs, mantras, and rituals to be used by Brahmins, the Vedic priest. Right? Now comes what are the benefits of yoga. Improves flexibility, build strength, increase muscle tone and definition, improve balance, support joint health, prevent back pain, teaches better breathing, foster mental calmness, reduce stress, increases self-confidence. Now, what are the elements of yoga? There are basic 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, space. Now, what are the components of yoga? First is yama, restraints, moral discipline or moral force. Niyam, positive duties or observances. Asana, posture. Pranayam, breathing techniques. Pratyahara, sense withdrawal. Dharana, focus, concentration. Dhyana, meditative absorption. Samadhi, bliss or alignment. These 8 components are very important. Without this, yoga can't be done. Now, principles of yoga. First is non-violence, ahimsa, no killing other beings, truthfulness, satya, live in the truth, righteousness, astra, not stealing or cheating, wisdom, brahmacharya, simplicity, aparigraha, worship of the spiritual guru or goal, Ishvara, prananidhan, sacrifice, the ego, swatch, self, discipline, tapas. Thank you for watching the video.